My son absolutely loves this monster truck. So all you have to do is put the monster truck in water, and slowly but surely the brown on it will just come off. As you can see, you might have to rub your hands all over the monster truck a little bit just to get all of the quote unquote mud off. And this is going to be great to add to my son's collection. Another thing I really like about this particular series is the fact that the wheels stay this gray slash brown color, which is representing mud. Obviously, you're just going to be washing the rest of the mud off, but overall, it was very easy to wash off, and you just had to run it through the sink a little bit. And it was such a fun learning experience for my son, getting a chance to see something that looks a certain way completely change after you take off one layer of it. And even as an adult, it was a lot of fun for me just to clean off the mud on it and get to see the actual monster truck. So be sure to pick this up.